Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can customize watermark in the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. So, at the start we have to open the camera app, then go to the settings and look for the watermark option. Now don't tap on the switcher, just tap on this word. And you can see now few options to edit appears, so we can change the model name or just remove it for another text. You can also add a date and time, change the font of your watermark, and you can also change the position of it. And now just go back, and when we take a photo, now we have new customized watermark, like here. And this is the default one. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.